How to change your Netflix plan on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Netflix. Make sure that the application is up to date. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you want to do is head over to My Netflix at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to Account. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. It will show you all of your details of your account. Well, you can also see plan details. But you can see there is no any option or the feature where you can change the plan. In order to do so, what you're going to do is you have to open the Netflix on any of the website. And there you have to log into your account. After that, head over to the settings of your device and then move into account once again. Over there, you'll be able to see the option where you can change the plan. From there, select the new plan that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your Netflix plan. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.